Guys, balikan po natin ang interview ni Inday Badiday kay Ate Lods, kay Sharon Cunita, na nag-promote dito si Sharon sa kanyang movie kasama si Gabby Concepcion, at sinabi niya ang kanyang buhay at kung anong naging sitwasyon. Kaya naman siguro hindi talaga makakalimutan ni Sharon Cunita si Gabby Concepcion, dahil totoo nga naman talagang minahal ni Sharon Cunita si Gabby Concepcion. Siya lang daw tanging makapagsabi kung sino at ano si Gabby Concepcion. At nakakatuwa naman siyang pakinggan sa mga sinasabi niya. Wala naman talaga siyang sinabing masama patungkol kay Gabby Concepcion mula nang sila'y naghiwalay. Panoorin.
Ano lang? Kaibigan sa pag-ibig?
Oo, kasi loyal ako eh.
Ganun ba yun?
Bihira ako akong mamili eh. Kaya kailangan
I'm very close to you naman eh.
Yeah, but No, I'm just kidding, Ate Luz.
Yeah, I know. Pero kamusta ka na siya, really?
There are a lot of lovable people in this business.
Yeah, I know.
I'm fine, Ate Luz.
Uh-huh.
My new nickname is Wholesome and Lonesome. Yes. I'm so wholesome, it's nakakainis. No, it's just a term, no? But seriously, wholesome does not mean this, but seriously, my life is I'm just floating. I'm not very, very happy, but I'm not lonely.
You go with the flow.
Yeah. Oh, look at you, you're so happy.
Ano lang
Yun hong mga pinakamasasakit at mabibigat na dinaanan ko sa buhay ko.
Ang dami nun.
Pag nandun na ho ako, Ate Lods, yung aking facade cool lang. Yung, ganyan. Pero hindi nila alam, pag sakay ko sa kotse, iyak ako. Pag uwi ko, iyak ako.
You're really that lonely?
Now, no. Now I'm fine.
Pero itong pelikula mo with Gabby, did you have second thoughts nung sinabihan ka?
No, because Ate Luz, even before we found out that we were going to do a movie together again, before it was offered to us, magkaibigan na kami ulit. We were talking already.
Parang hindi nakakakilala ng tunay na Gabby Concepcion. And I think you're the right person.
Opo.
Ikaw lamang ang may authority yata na pwedeng magsalita.
Ako lang po talaga.
Ikaw lang talaga. What is he like? Sa bahay?
Gabby is
Mga unguarded moments niya.
Nung magkasama pa po kami, pag wala siyang trabaho, he loved tinkering with his cars. And, simple lang si Gabby eh. Ganyan. Tapos, yung friends niya, gusto niya lagi niyang kasama, ganyan. And he loves the sea, he loves the water. Playground daw niya yung ocean. So, nagda-diving siya. Noon, hindi pa eh. Pero gusto na niya ang beach. Ngayon, diver na siya. He's very malambing. Ang hirap lang kay Gabby, hindi mo alam ang iniisip.
Yun nga.
Nakangiti pa, yung pala, galit na. Ganyan.
Artista talaga.
Hindi, yung ganun don't know about now, Ate Luz. But when we were together, simple lang.
Wala yung pagka-ambisyoso, wala yun.
Well, of course, there was always this drive to do his best, of course, in his work, to be one of the best in the business, which I think he is now. Ganun.
Kasi parang ang tingin nila kay Gabby, parang ikaw daw, seryoso ka. I mean, about life, no?
Or the way I see Gabby is that he takes life one day at a time. Ganyan. Yung ano siya, basta he enjoys himself, he enjoys his life.
Hindi siya,
Ako, I have to plan everything.
hindi siya yung tipo naglo-long range planning, yung sa ganitong year, ganito
For certain things, yeah. Yung siguro ganun. But ako, there's no choice naman eh. Nobody has a choice but to go with the flow of things. Yung like, I may want this next year, but it doesn't mean that I'll get it, diba? So I have to see what comes my way each day. So there are times I live my life a day at a time. Pero yung long range plans ko, I always have to plan everything. I always have to wait. Kailangan yung future ni Casey, okay na. Kailangan ganito na ako bago ganito, ganon.
Now, nanlandas.
And we have differences, Ate Luz, pero hindi ko pwede sabihin yung mabibigat. Yung mga, yung aming mga small, yung meron kaming, the way I see Gabby now is, I think he enjoys naman the way his life is going. Yung bachelorhood niya, ganyan, bachelor lifestyle. That's not really bad, except that, well, siguro, it will really take time, ganyan, for him to be totally ready to commit himself totally to one person and face all the responsibilities of fatherhood and being a husband. Not to say that he's irresponsible now, but parang there's a right time for everything. Parang me rin, I'm living my own life now. I enjoy my independence also. Ganyan. But mostly I turn to work eh. Gabi, he balances it. He's lucky nga eh.
Yeah, but he's not ready, you think, for a total commitment.
What I think lang is he's not. I don't know if he is because we've never really discussed it. That's only my opinion. I told him that also.
I'm sure ikaw din di ready for a total commitment.
Now, no.